Hi everyone, this is Dave Denzel. I'm the technical manager for Additives, and today I'm just going to show you a quick little video on how to do a purge. And but first of all, we're actually going to use a purge compound concentrate mixed with a material that's currently being used at the press. So might as well just get started, and I'm going to show you how to mix that. So first of all, we got 4 pounds of material, of a raw material, and then we're just going to mix in 1 pound of our concentrate, and this will make up a purge compound that will be used to clean out the injection molding machine. So first of all you do is just dump it in to the material, and then you can just mix it up by hand. And that's all and that's what it's going to look like when it's all done. And so we're going to get started and show you how to do a purge compound. Right. Hey everybody, it's Dave again. I'm back. I'm going to show you how you got to clean the hopper and get ready to be able to purge through the machine. So on this machine, it's a very simple procedure. What we're going to do first on this is that we're going to slide the hopper over so you can expose the feed throat. And then what you would typically do is that you would clean it all off. You can either use air, or you can just wipe off that feed throat area, or on larger machines typically we just clean out the whole hopper so you can get ready to put it into a hopper or even a colorant feeder if you're just using just the concentrate, and then you can actually mix it with your material as the natural material is running. So at this time, I'll just do a quick little blast, clean it all up, and then we're going to put this funnel in there so we can get ready to feed our next material in. So at this point, we're going to empty out the barrel, and currently we're running a purple. So we're going to empty out this barrel and get ready to be able to put the purge in. So this machine, we're able to do an auto purge. So it's going to do 10 cycles in short bursts. And that's what we want to do when it comes to the purge compound too as well. We want to make sure that that check ring is moving well. And so we're purging out the barrel to empty the barrel out. And then once the barrel is emptied, that's when we're going to add our purge compound mixture. Okay, right now the barrel is empty. So now we're gonna add our purge compound, and then we're gonna clean out this barrel until it looks really clean. Okay, so now we're gonna add our purge compound, and then we're gonna start doing those same short bursts that we just got done doing. Now what we want to do is purge until it looks relatively clean. So we're going to start right now. Okay, it's doing short bursts as we speak. Okay, It's starting to feed through the barrel now. You can see the color starting to change. And at this point, it doesn't look like we really need to add any more Purge compound mix. It looks like it's coming out pretty clean. Okay, right there, we have now ended, and it looks like the purge is really clean. So we're gonna take out this cardboard, and then we're gonna add another color so you can see what that looks like. The next step that you need to do is that you gotta clean out your hopper and the beef throat again, just to make sure that there's no purge compound around the area. So we can just blow it out really quick. And then we're gonna start adding our next material. Then you can see, now what we're going to add here is that we're going to add a blue. All right, then we're just going to purge through this. And again, you're going to want to keep doing the short burst to make sure that that check ring is getting cleaned out really well. What we're doing here is that we're flushing out flushing out the rest of the purge compound that was actually built up around the outside of the barrel walls and also on the screw. Now, for the purpose of this video, we were able to open the door so you could actually see the purge occurring inside the press. Typically, you would have the door closed to the nozzle area. Okay, the blue is starting to come through now. So that means that most of the purge compound is now out of the barrel. Like we're almost complete here. And that blue's coming through pretty good now, so it looks like it cleaned out really well. All right, everyone, I just wanted to show you what the purge looked like from the beginning until we come to the end with our blue. All right, everyone, and the last thing that we want to do is that you want to be able to clean everything up and get your hopper ready for your production run. So we're going to remove our chute, and then you're going to make sure that it's all wiped off and cleaned off, and then you're going to move your hopper back, and then now production, you can start running your next material and production can begin.